we're going to get started this hour with a preview of Hunter Biden's trial that begins later this morning. He's facing gun charges out of the state of Delaware. The charges that he's currently facing in the state including purchasing a gun while using illegal drugs. The trial will likely reveal highly personal and unsavory details, photos, and videos of the first son. This is one Republican political consultant, what they had to say about how Hunter's trial might affect the president.
The White House may never comment on it, but you can bet that every single day of that trial is going to weigh heavily upon the president of the United States, who is going to be affected by this in a profound way.
Jury selection starts in the morning, and the trial is expected to take 3 to 5 days. If convicted, Hunter Biden could face up to 25 years in prison and $750,000 in fines. Meantime, more fallout following former President Donald Trump's conviction. Republicans and Democrats are still split on whether the verdict represents justice or political persecution. But in his first interview since his conviction, Trump weighed in on the possibility of being sentenced to jail time or house arrest come July 11th.
I'm okay with it. I saw one of my lawyers the other day on television saying, "Oh no, you don't want to do that to the president." I said, "You don't beg for anything. You just the way it is."
Even if Trump does not receive any jail time, experts say that last week's conviction could have some lasting consequences, particularly on his remaining criminal cases, because now judges will take into account his criminal record in their punishments. House Speaker Mike Johnson also speaking out following former President Donald Trump's guilty verdict. He vows that Republicans will fight back with all the tools they have. The speaker appeared on Fox News Sunday, emphasizing that Republicans will do so within the confines of the rule of law. He pointed to efforts underway by the House Judiciary Committee to have Manhattan District Attorney Alvin Bragg and lead prosecutors in Trump's hush money case testify on Capitol Hill.